Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Christian. Today I would like to show you what's happening with the Bitcoin price, because you can clearly see that we are moving into a fall wedge pattern. And guys, it's happening exactly as I predicted before 2 days, that we're gonna move like sideways inside of this fall wedge pattern, and I'm gonna expect in the next coming days to see a breakout when we actually gonna see the Bollinger Band into big squeeze. We aren't there yet, but I think in the next coming days we're gonna see a very significant move, because guys, in 4 days from now we're gonna see if actually we're gonna see a pause in the rates. And if we're gonna see pause in the rates, we could potentially see a breakout on this fall wedge pattern to the upside, so we could see an incredible rally. So on this video I would like to show you some important parts that you need to pay focus and actually ignore the fad, because many people right now believe that the altcoins like Cardano, Solana, and all these similar cryptos that called from the SEC as a security, that are bleeding because are actually a security. Guys, SEC just called them security. They didn't actually did any kind of action like a lawsuit or whatsoever. They actually just made a list and said that these cryptos are securities without actually doing any action for that. You should chill out, okay? Even if actually they do a lawsuit, most of these cryptos are ready and prepared to go into the court to go and prove the opposite. Obviously, some cryptos maybe are securities, but most of some reliable cryptos, I don't believe that are securities, and actually I believe that are commodities, like as we know, and as they supposed to be. Okay, so on this video I would like just to stick with a Bitcoin price prediction, what I'm gonna expect from the Bitcoin, how we're gonna move actually, if we're gonna break this fall wedge pattern, which is very bullish, especially if we're gonna break the resistance, and what's my technical price target. So if you would like to know that, stay tuned until the end of the video. And before we continue, I would like to declare you that I'm not a financial advisor. Whatever you're gonna see on this video is my own personal opinion, my personal approach. Always do your own research before any kind of financial investment. And also guys, check my Patreon group, because here you're gonna find the elite soldiers, which is a VIP group, and also you're gonna find the Telegram VIP community where multimillionaires included. So guys, you understand that we have bring you quality service through this Patreon group. You can have access to speak with me, and you can ask whatever question you would like on this group, and all together we're reviewing things, we're analyzing projects, and all these very great stuff. So another part of that group is actually the buy and sell signals. You're going to have access to my portfolio and access to the strategy that I follow through actually the altcoin seasons, the Bitcoin dominance. I'm actually investing in altcoins, taking profit in BTC and Ethereum, and doing that repeatedly. Very smart strategy to build wealth. Highly recommend you if you're interested to upgrade your knowledge, build connections, and have fun on the crypto space. This group is for you. And without losing more time, let's get back to the video, because as I told you, I have lots of things to analyze you. As I told you, we are moving to this fall wedge pattern. Bollinger Band hasn't squeezed yet, and I believe, according to my opinion, that we're gonna see a breakout in 4 days from now, where we're gonna see if actually we're gonna have an increase on the rates or a pause in the rates. Pause in the rates could actually bring the Bitcoin price to the upside, and also we have a potential to break this massive resistance, which I believe at that time could be around $26,850, somewhere there. And guys, I would like to show you also the technical price target, which is gonna be approximately gonna break on that area. Let's say it's gonna be at $31,300, which, as you understand, this is a technical price target which is above this yellow line. And as you know, and for those who don't know, because I have explained these things in my previous videos, that the $30,500 area is the most crucial resistance right now for the Bitcoin price, because it was previously the support of the previous bull run. Here is to remind you, and the time that actually going to surpass that and going to stay above, then we actually would see an altcoin season. Okay, Bitcoin will pump from $32,000 up to $37,000, and we are gonna see, according to my opinion and according to Bitcoin dominance, because you're gonna see here that the Bitcoin dominance is standing again at 48%, and I believe a lot that from time to time we're gonna see Bitcoin dominance into 40%, especially if you're gonna see the huge breakout which I told you. Okay, obviously, first of all, we will need to break the $28,000, which is a daily resistance, and if this resistance is gonna break, this could be very massive for the following steps to the upside. Also, I would like to show you guys that the Dixie right now is going to the downside. It's moving like with a downturn movement in a smaller time frame, but we're gonna see how this thing gonna react in 4 days from now. I believe, guys, I have told my opinion. I believe in that bank crisis that we have, in that global economic crisis, that Dixie gonna move under to $100 from time to time, and that's gonna be a very great rally for the BTC. And to have in your mind, because some people believe that I'm super bullish, and I believe that with that altcoin season and that pump that I'm explaining you right now, that we could see the bull run. Guys, no, I believe that we're gonna see an altcoin season, and then we're gonna see a crash. Then we're gonna see the halving, and then we're gonna see the bull run. This is how I believe that we're gonna move on this current situation. So be very careful, because we're gonna see the situation which I told you, with a pump 32, 35, $37,000 area. Lots of people gonna get into that trap that this is a bull run. And guys, this is not gonna be a bull run, because we're gonna see a massive pullback subsequently. So right now, I would like to show you that in the daily time frame, you can clearly see we are still above the daily moving average. The last time that we went to break it, we bounced very hard. It was the time that banks collapsed and Bitcoin had some adoption pump to the upside. So right now you can clearly see that we are still up, but in the weekly time frame, as I showed you before a couple of days, we had break that. You can clearly see, and to remind you, I had told you that we have very big chance to see the weekly candle closing above this red line, which is the weekly moving average, okay, which is really important indicator for the Bitcoin price. Okay, right now we are still standing in a bullish environment. So there is a big probability until the Sunday to close above this weekly candle, above this support, which gonna mean that we can see a massive pump if this scenario is gonna play out, and the pump will be exactly at that resistance. So we're gonna have only the wick of the candle closing under this weekly moving average, but this is not a problem. The problem is you're gonna see the weekly candle closing under and below this red line. So this is exactly what I would like to tell you guys. I'm more kind bullish, I believe, to bullish news, because I'm expecting a lot for the current situation with the current indicators to see an altcoin season, and then subsequently I'm gonna expect a massive crash, and then, as I told you, halving and bull run. This is my thought process. Let me know your opinion about that. Do you believe the same? Do you believe first in a crash and then an altcoin season, or not an altcoin season at all? Let me know what you believe down below in the comment section, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for your support, guys, and until my next video, your boy Chris out. Bye.